Okay, this is a quick and maybe slightly pointless video on where to find the serial number of your transfer case and what those serial numbers mean. So from the back of the car looking forward, you can see the back of your LT230 transfer case, and basically on the newer ones it will be on this face, just under the PTO, and on the older ones it will be on this side of the transfer case. So I've got the case of an old transfer box here, so you can see the number is in that bottom left hand corner, and this one is stamped with 28D. So in the lookup table you can see the ratios are as follows. In fact, you can see 28D has got a ratio of 1.222, which tallies with the sticker on the front of the case. Also, you'll see in the table that there are different types of 230 that were issued. So you've got the R denomination, which was fitted to the kind of really early ones, and I think some of them have got a very high ratio, like over 1.6. Got T, which is the most common variant. There's a Q, which is similar, but essentially has got different gear geometry, more teeth on the gears and so on, to make it slightly quieter. And then of course there is the SE version, which was fitted to the Discovery 2, which is pretty similar to the Q, but I think can handle higher torque overall. Anyway, liking and subscribing really helps us. Thanks a lot for watching, and these are some of the other videos that we have made.